And what we have here, something great. Trey. Girl, I want you to know, woo, I can't get you out of my head, my head, my head. Now, girl, I want you to know, I don't even know what you need, but I like it. Everything hooks, everything works. You're a real good chorus, I'm a real good verse. Freestyle unrehearsed, so clean, no curse. And when the songs don't, man, everything hurts. So I put it in reverse, go back to the scene where I seen you first. Yeah, I need you to sing that single again. Play that video, I seen you a band. 100 million spins in my mind all day. Calling in requests on the line always. Yeah, the president of your fan club, leading players all behind like a band love. Girl, I want you to know, I can't get you out of my head, my head, my head. I can't get you out now. Girl, I want you to know, I don't even know what you need, Wait, I need a minute. Like a timeout in tennis before I finish. How'd I get in this? Maybe was your hair, maybe was your flair. Maybe it's the heels and the way you wear. Maybe it's your real and the way you care. You don't care if I'm ill or a millionaire. The only thing that matters that the feeling's there. Your smile so bright it's like a grill's in there. High off life, don't need a pill in there. You're killing me, I think I need a will in here. Got me feeling real skills impaired. Hard to describe while you're still in here. Girl, I want you to know, I like it, girl. Might go crazy trying to figure this out, love, but I like it, girl. Don't even know why I feel this way, but I like it, girl. Caught up in something that I can't get out of, but we like it, girl. Girl, I want you to know, I can't get you out of my head. I can't get you out now. Said I can't get you out now. Girl, I want you to know, I want you to know, but I love it. Girl, I want you to know, I want you to know, I can't get you out of my head, my Lupe, head, my head. Trey, I want you to know, girl, I want you to know, I don't even know what you just making sure, I don't even know, but I love it. Lupe, I can't get you out. Trey. And what we have here, something great. Trey. Girl, I want you to know, woo, I can't get you out of my head, my head, my head. Now, girl, I want you to know, I don't even know what you need, but I like it. Everything hooks, everything works. You're a real good chorus, I'm a real good verse. Freestyle unrehearsed.